How are you all the students? Today we are going to learn something very important in biology: DNA replication, transcription and translation. These are the key steps that explain how life continues and how proteins are made in our cells. So let's start together.
This is DNA, the blueprint of life. Think of it as a long, twisted ladder. DNA replication is how cells copy this ladder before dividing, ensuring every new cell gets the same information. Replication starts when the DNA unzips. Enzymes like helicase break the bonds between the strands, and DNA polymerase builds new complementary strands. This ensures an identical copy is made. Next step is transcription. Here, a section of DNA is copied into messenger RNA or mRNA. Imagine this like photocopying a page from the instruction manual. The copy will travel out of the nucleus. Once the mRNA copy is made, it leaves the nucleus and goes to a ribosome in the cytoplasm. The ribosome is the cell's factory that reads the message. Now comes translation. The ribosome reads the mRNA in sets of 3 letters, called codons. Transfer RNA brings the correct amino acids, and they join together to form a protein. This is how our cells build enzymes, hormones, and everything we need to survive. So remember, replication copies the DNA. Transcription makes an RNA message. Translation uses that message to build proteins. This entire process is what makes life possible. Amazing, isn't it? Now, here's a quick quiz for you. Comment below. Which step creates messenger RNA?